Question number 3. Find the area of combined figure given which is got by the joining of two parallels. Okay, find the area. First, what we find? Find the area. So this combined figure is got by the joining of two parallels. In this figure, two parallels is there. Okay, so this figure is got by or made by two parallels. Okay, listen. Here, this side and this sides are equal. These two are parallel. And make a one dotted line. Now, this is one parallelogram and this is another parallelogram. Okay, so these two sides are parallel and these two sides are equal. So this is also 8 centimeter. Here, this is also here two lines are there here. So these two sides are equal. So this side is also 8 centimeter, and this side, these four sides are equal, and total length is 6 centimeter. So total height is equal to 6 centimeter. So height of this is 3 centimeter. Height of this is 3 centimeter. Why? Because these two are parallelogram. This is one parallelogram. This is another one parallelogram, and each parallelogram having the same side. Here 8 centimeter. Here also 8 centimeter. So therefore these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. Suppose here 8 centimeter, here is not equal to 8 centimeter means height are different. Height are different. So here 8 centimeter, here also 8 centimeter. So this height is equal. So total is 6 centimeter. So this height is 3 centimeter. Here also 3 centimeter. So what is the area of this combined shape? So 2 times area of this parallelogram, right? Area of the parallelogram and plus area of parallelogram, that means 2 times area of parallelogram. Because area of this parallelogram is equal to area of this parallelogram. The same area. Two parallelograms are having the same area. Reason? Sides are equal. Measurements are equal. So area is equal. So given L is equal to what? Sorry. Base is equal to. Given base is equal to 8 centimeter. And the height is equal to height of one parallelogram. Okay, height is equal to 3 centimeter, not 6 centimeter. Listen carefully. This total height. Now I take the height of one parallelogram. Height of one parallelogram is 3 centimeter. Okay, height of one parallelogram is 3 centimeter. Height of another parallelogram is 3 centimeter. Now first find the area of one parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is equal to area of parallelogram formula, base into height, right? BH. Area of parallelogram is equal to BH. That is equal to 8 multiplied 3. 8 multiplied 3. 8 is 24 centimeters square. 24 centimeters square. But here not a parallelogram. It's a combination of two parallelograms. So combined figure. So what is the required area? So required area is equal to this parallelogram area plus this parallelogram area. These two parallelogram areas are equal. The measurements are same. So area is also same, equal. Therefore, 2 times of area of parallelogram. So 2 multiplied area of parallelogram is 24. So 24. 2 multiplied 24 is 48 centimeters square. This is the answer. Okay, but understand? Listen carefully. This is a combination of two parallelograms. Each parallelogram, both parallelograms have the same dimension, same measurements. Here 8 centimeter, here also 8 centimeter, and these two sides are equal. And at the same time, these two sides are totally 4 sides are equal side. 4 sides are equal. Therefore, the height is 6 centimeter. Total height is 6 centimeter. So this line divided the two parallelograms by equal parts. So this is 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. So height and base is same. So area is also same. So first find the area of one parallelogram. Next area of required is equal to 2 multiplied area of parallelogram. Okay. Next question number 4. Find the area of combined figure. Find the area of combined figure given formed by joining a semicircle and diameter 6 centimeter with the triangle base 6 centimeter. Okay. and height 9 centimeter. Height 9 centimeter. Look at the figure. So this is one triangle. This is one triangle. So triangle base is 6 centimeter. Base of the triangle is 6 centimeter. And the height of triangle is 9 centimeter. This is the height of the triangle is 9 centimeter. And one semicircle is there. The semicircle diameter is 6 centimeter. So diameter is 6 centimeter. Find the area. So area of the shaded part or combined figure is equal to area of semicircle plus area of triangle. Okay. So first, what are the shades are there? Total 2 shades. One is semicircle. One is semicircle, another one is triangle. The semicircle diameter is given. Diameter is 6 centimeter. Diameter is 6 centimeter. So what is the radius? Diameter is equal to 2r. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. D divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 centimeter. Next, near triangle. In a triangle, base and height are there. Here base is equal to 6 centimeter, height is equal to 9 centimeter. Base is equal to 6 centimeter, height is equal to 9 centimeter. Next, to find the area of both semicircle and triangle. So area of semicircle is equal to area of semicircle formula 1 by 2 pi r square. 1 by 2 pi r square. Now 1 by 2 multiplied pi value is in the given 3.14. 3.14 multiplied r is equal to 3. So 3 multiplied 3. So 3 3s are 9. 9 multiplied 3.14 is equal to 3.14 multiplied 9. 9 4s are 36. Remaining 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. Remaining 1. 9 3s are 27. 28. So 28.26. 28.26 is divided by 2 is equal to 14.13. So 14.13 centimeter square. Centimeter square. Okay. Now find the area of triangle. Area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half BH. No, half BH is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied base is equal to what? 6 multiplied height is equal to 9. Using second table 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. So 3 9s are 27. Okay. So area of triangle is equal to 27 centimeter square. Now find the area of combined figure or shaded part. What is area of fully combined figure? Area of semicircle plus area of triangle. So we add the two areas. So area of combined figure. Combined figure is equal to sum of area of semicircle and the area of triangle. Area of semicircle is equal to 14.13 plus area of triangle is 27 is equal to decimal part is 13. 4 plus 7 is 11. So 1 mean 1 2 4. So 41.13 centimeter square. I understand? It's a combined figure. It's a combined figure. What are the figures are combined? One is semicircle and another one is triangle. So find the area of semicircle and area of triangle. So required area is we add this. Okay. Next question number 5. The doormat which is hexagonal in shape. What is meant by hexagonal? So what is quadrilateral? So quadrilateral is a closed figure by using only 4 line segment. So closed figure by using 6 line segment is called hexagon. How many sides? 6 sides. Your closed figure having 6 sides is called hexagonal. A closed figure having 6 sides is called hexagonal. Okay. Next, in shape has the following measure as given in the figure. So the figure. Find its area. Find the area. So in the hexagonal, one side is 70 centimeter The middle one is 90 centimeter. Mid length is 90 centimeter, and total height is 70 centimeter. Okay, 70 centimeter. Look at the figure. This is hexagonal. We don't know the formula for area of hexagon. Correct? So we divide into two parts. Listen carefully. Okay, just think your mat, like a mat. This is like a mat. Okay, it's like a hexagonal mat. Then in the hexagonal mat, this side and this side are equal. Correct? A hexagonal mat, these four sides are equal, and opposite sides. These two sides are equal. Correct? Now we cut it. Now this four side. What is the shape of this four side? Here 70 centimeter, this is 90 centimeter, this side is equal, this side is equal. What is the shape of this? This is a trapezium, correct? This is a trapezium. One pair of opposite side is equal. Therefore, this is a trapezium. So, one side is 70 centimeter, another side is 90 centimeter. Okay. So, what is the area of trapezium? Okay. What is the area of trapezium? 1 by 2 of h into a plus b is the area of trapezium. Okay. Next step. Look at this. This is also a trapezium, correct? This is also a trapezium. This opposite pair is equal. Sorry, this opposite pair is parallel. This opposite pair is parallel. Okay. Therefore, this is also a trapezium. And this side also 70 centimeter. These two sides are equal. Okay. Like you think a match, these two sides are equal, correct? These two sides are equal. These four sides are equal. These four sides are equal, and here these two sides are equal. Therefore, we have the same heights. This height and this height, two heights are equal. Are you understand? Because the measurements are equal. Therefore, the heights are also equal. So total height is 70 centimeter. So what is the height of this trapezium? So height of one trapezium is 70. This total height divided by 2. 70 divided by 2 is 35 centimeter. So here also 35 centimeter. So each trapezium has same measurement. So each trapezium has same area. So first find the area of one trapezium and multiply by 2. We get the answer. Okay. So given. So one trapezium. First A is equal to, first line, A is equal to, this is 70 centimeter, B is equal to this, 90 centimeter, height is equal to, height of one trapezium, not a total height, 35 centimeter, are you understand? Now find the area of one trapezium. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 h of a plus b. Is the formula. Is equal to 1 by 2. H is equal to 35 of a plus b. A is 70, b is 90. So 70 plus 90 is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied 35 multiplied 70 plus 90 is 160. Correct? 160. Cancel this second table. 160 becomes 80. So 35 multiplied 80 is equal to 8 5s are 40, remaining 4. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. Again 1 0. So area of trapezium is equal to 2800 centimeter square. So area of hexagonal mat is equal to area of trapezium plus area of trapezium. That means 2 times area of trapezium. So area of mat is equal to 2 multiplied area of trapezium, that is equal to 2800. That is equal to 2 multiplied 2800 is 5600 centimeter square. 5600 centimeter square. Understand? This is a hexagonal. Hexagonal means a closed figure having 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 sides. Hexagonal is looks like a 2 trapeziums. two trapezium. This line divides two trapezium. These two trapeziums have the same measurements. These two trapezium have the same measurements. Therefore, area of these two trapeziums are equal. Area of these two trapeziums are equal. So first we find the area of one trapezium. Next, area of man is equal to 2 multiple area of trapezium. Understand? Okay. Next, question number 6. A rocket drawing has the measures as given in the figure. Find its area. Find its area. Now, this is a rocket drawing. Okay. So, what are the shapes are there? First, find what are the shapes. Now, this is one triangle, right? This is one triangle. Now, this is one rectangle, right? Triangle, rectangle. This is what shape? Here, listen. These two sides are parallel. These two sides are non-parallel. So, this is a trapezium. Okay, what? So, totally three shapes. One is triangle, another one is rectangle, another one is trapezium. So, find the measures. Find the dimensions of these three. So, first one. So, what are there? Trapezium. Another one is rectangle. Another one is triangle. In trapezium, one is A, another one is B. So A is equal to take 30 centimeter and B is equal to take 50 centimeter. This is A, this is B. Or take either this is A, this is B. It's no problem. And what is the height of this trapezium? It's 20 centimeter. So distance between A and B is the height. So it is 20 centimeter. Height is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. Next, rectangle. This is the length. This is the breadth. Breadth is given 30 centimeter. B is equal to 30 centimeter. What is L? So total length is given. This to this. Total length is 20 centimeter. So what is the length of rectangle? Here, length of trapezium is equal to 20. Here, length of this length is 20. So what is the remaining? So 120 minus 20 minus 20. Correct? So total length is 120. This to this total length is 120. Here 20 is height of the trapezium. Another 20 is the height of the triangle. So remaining part is length of rectangle. What is the remaining part? 120 minus 20 minus 20. That is 120 minus 40. That is 80. 80 centimeter. You understand? Next, triangle. We want base and height. What is the base? Base is equal to, this is the base, correct? This is the base. What is the length? This is 30 because this is a triangle, sorry, it's a rectangle. This is the rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. So base is equal to 30 centimeter and the height is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. So what is the required area? Required area is equal to area of trapezium plus area of rectangle plus area of triangle. So area of trapezium formula 1 by 2 h into a plus b, and this plus area of rectangle formula L into b plus area of triangle formula 1 by 2 BH. Understand? Understand? So total area we want to find. So first find the area of trapezium, area of rectangle, area of triangle. So area of trapezium formula is 1 by 2 h into a plus b. This is equal to 1 by 2. H is equal to what? H is equal to 20 of a is equal to 30, b is equal to 50. 30 plus 50 plus LB, L 30, sorry, L 80, B 30. 80 multiplied 30 plus half into BH, B is equal to 30, height is equal to 20. Now cancel it 2, second table 10. Okay, last one 2, 10. So what do you get? 10 of 30 plus 50. 30 plus 50 is 80. 80 multiple 10 is 800. 800 plus 80 multiple 30. 80 multiple 30. 8 3 are 24. 24 again 2 zeros. Plus 30 multiple 10 is 300. So we add 800 plus 2400 plus 300. 2 last 2 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 8 is 15, remaining 1, 2 plus 3. 3500 units of centimeters, so centimeter square. Are you understand? Are you understand? So this is totally 3 shapes. One is trapezium, another one is rectangle, another one is triangle. So find the total area is area of trapezium plus area of rectangle plus area of triangle. Are you understand? Next, exercise 2.2, last question, it's the 7th question. Find the area of the irregular polygon shape given below. So, polygon, what is meant by polygon? Polygon is a closed figure by using more than 2 sides, more than 2 sides is called polygon. So, irregular polygon means, what is regular polygon and what is irregular polygon? Regular polygon is a polygon having all sides are equal. For example, square and equilateral triangle. That's a regular polygon. Irregular polygon is a polygon having all the sides are different. Okay, not equal. Okay, listen. So this one is an irregular polygon. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So 5 sides polygon means the pentagon. Okay, irregular pentagon. Find its area. So we separate the shapes first. So this is one triangle and this is another one triangle. Total 2 triangles. This triangle also make another one big triangle. A, D, E is one triangle. Okay, correct? A, D, E is one triangle and A, B, F is another one triangle. 3 sides. Another one triangle. C, D, H is another one triangle. What is this shape? F, B, C, H. What is the shape? These 2 sides are parallel. These 2 sides are parallel. These 2 sides are not parallel. So this is a trapezium. This is a trapezium. So what is its area? So area is area of triangle ADE plus area of triangle ABF plus area of triangle HCD or CDH plus area of trapezium FBCH. So first find the areas and add. Okay. First find area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle formula half into BH, correct? Half BH formula. What is the base? Here this is the total length is base. What is the total length? 6 cm plus 6 meter plus 8 meter plus 10 meter plus 5 meter. So total length is base. So 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 10 is 24, 24 plus 5 is 29. So 1 by 2 multiplied 29. Base is 29 meters. 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 10, 24, 24 plus 5, 29. Base is 29. And height is equal to this height. Total height is 8 meters. So multiply 8. Cancel using second table 4. 29 multiplied 4 is equal to 9 4s are 36. Remain 3 9. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 111 meters square. So one triangle is over. Next to find another triangle ABF. Area of triangle ABF. Here this is the base, this is the height. You understand? This is the base, this is the height. This is the height. So base is equal to 6 cm, height is equal to 3 cm. So 1 by 2 formula, same formula BH. Area of triangle formula 1 by 2 BH. So 1 by 2 into base is equal to 6 cm multiplied height is equal to 3 cm. Cancel it. 3. So 3 threes are 9 meters square. Sorry, or meter. So 9 meters square. Next, area of trapezium. Area of trapezium FBCH. FBCH is equal to area of trapezium formula 1 by 2 H of A plus B. Right? 1 by 2 H of A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. What is the height? Height is the distance between, listen carefully, what is the height? Distance between two parallel sides. Distance between two parallel sides is height. A and B are two parallel sides. A is one parallel side, B is another parallel side. Two parallel sides are A and B. Distance between two parallel sides is height. So these two sides are parallel sides. This side and this side. FB and HC is a parallel side. So this one is A and one is B. Take A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 8, or A is equal to 8, B is equal to 3. And distance between these two sides is height. So distance between two sides FH. FH is equal to 8 plus 10 is 18. So 18. H is equal to 18. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 8. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. So cancel it. 9. 9 plus 11 is 99 meters square. Again, one triangle is there, correct? Triangle CDH. Area of triangle CDH. Area of triangle formula half BH. So half into, what is the base here? This is base, this is height. 5 multiple 8. Right? Base multiple height. Base is 5 and height is 8. Cancel it. 4. 5 fours are 20 meters square. Okay. Now we find the area of separated shape. Now we find the total area. So total area is equal to, required area is equal to, required area is equal to what? Sum of all areas. 116 plus 9 plus 99 plus 20 is equal to 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. 24 plus 0, 24. 4. Remaining 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 14. Remaining 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 244 meters square. This is the required area. 244 meters square. Are you understand? First, separate the shapes and find the area of each shape. Next we add. Okay. In the exercise 2.2 is very easy if you are memorize the formula. If you know the formula, this is exercise 2.2 is very easy. Are you understand? Okay. First find the shapes and what you have given and what you want you find. Next apply the formula. You get the answer. Okay. Thank you.